Oh, I'm such an idiot. I'm such an idiot. Heyo, Casca in the house. Guess who's late? Late again. I'm just looking at my title. I have that one up, didn't I? Good morning. Good morning. Heyo, Casca in the house. Good morning. Good morning. Why this scamp? I don't know where that P came from. Why this scamp pump? Oh, why this scam? A scam pump? Maybe I was going to type pump and then I stopped. I don't know. Still waking up. I'm ready to go back to sleep. This scam Bitcoin pump's not waking me up. Ding 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 ding. A ding a ding ding. A ding a ding. Let's hit the button. A ding a ding. Did that work? Ding 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 ding. You know my window's open right now, so I'm getting a little self conscious. Could you imagine like someone walking their dog in the morning? Every day at this time they walk by my house, they hear some idiot going ding 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 a ding a ding a ding a ding a ding a ding ding. All right. I do this every morning. I guess we'll do a tight 30. I don't know if I got 30 minutes to talk about, but we always find a way. Let's pop on over to the desktop, see what's going on. I'm just going to say it normally. Let's see what's going on in the stock market. The stack. I can't help myself. The stack. The stack. The stocks. The stocks. Oh, trash day. I hear a trash truck with a beep, 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 loud AF. Sounds like two of them in synchronous harmony. Unlike the Harmony one, there's nothing harmonious going on over there. Too soon? All right, so the stock market's pumping like crazy, though the real story today is going to be bonds. Let's take a look. The Nasdaq's up 200 points. What the hell is going on? Besides Stacy's mom. Stacy's mom has got it going on. Stacy's mom. You can tell I'm in another goofy ass mood today. Don't ask me why. I got a lot to do today at work. It's kind of some stuff I kind of enjoy, but I got to end the day off with doing some stuff I don't enjoy. So I'm a little bit giddy that, I'll be busy today. Sometimes work could be boring, some boring work that I don't like doing. All right, what am I doing here? I wanted to see if there's any headlines. Like, it's going to be a stupid headline. Why the stock market's pumping. It's going to be just really, 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 really stupid. E-mini S&P Sweden report leaks on Nord Stream 1 shortly after. What's Nord Stream? Is that some kind of. Oh, the pipeline. There's leaks? Uh-oh. That's not going to be good for the price of natural gas. Stocks to surge on NYSE debut. What does that mean? Harley Davidson EVs. Oh, there's a new SPAC? Blech. Stay away from that shit. It's something to do with Harley Davidson, though. Tom DeMark says technical indicators are flashing down. Oh, even Bazinga's doing the flashing indicator. Let's see. Goldman Sachs turns bearish on stocks. While BlackRock says shun most equities. Oh no, BlackRock and Goldman Sachs. NASA successful DART asteroid collision. What? The DART? They're testing the DART system? All right, so NASA's successful collision of a spacecraft with an asteroid lifted space sector stocks. What is what does that have to do with the price of tea in China? All right, I think they just kind of made that title, or they just All right, yeah, nothing going on there. And the Nasdaq's now up 200. The E-mini S&P's up 50. Crude oil up $1.50, but it's still under $80 a barrel. Bitcoin up over $1,000. No jokes. Gold up $11, but still way down from, like, it was over 1,800 recently, which is still down from its all-time highs. I think gold's the only thing out there that barely ever makes new all-time highs. Yeah, like gold is the greatest anti-hedge against inflation. Buy gold, the value of dollar goes down, and the value of your gold will go sideways, mostly sideways, a little bit up, a little bit down. So, um, they say cash is trash. I say gold is shit. the only time gold, the only time gold's ever gonna be like when is gold ever gonna be like why do people still live in like the 1300s? Peter Schiff, tell me what makes gold so great. The economies collapse. Like people are, a currency is gonna come. If the United States dollar emerges, do you think all of a sudden gold's gonna become the world reserve currency? I mean, no. It's gonna be another. Like, when is gold ever gonna, like, if every nation in the world, nuclear war, we're dead? Like, what? Uh, computers. What is a electromagnetic event? Electromagnetic pulse. EMP. I found an EMP. Solar flare wipes out all electronics on the planet. I mean, we're talking. If that were to happen, we're talking 30 to 50% loss of life. You'd be like, why, Tom? Why would all the electricity in the world being knocked out cause so much loss of life? You understand there would be no running water. There'd be no gas pumps. So food shortages, crises, like we can't. We can't. There'd be. You want to talk about supply chain issues? Like you, what do you like? Steam, like, are there any steam locomotives, coal locomotives out there to transport shit around? Ships run on diesel. Like, do you refineries shut down, electric plants shut down, no running water. It's gonna be the people that I talked about yesterday going off grid, and you want to be the ultimate minimalist, go off grid and live off the land, farm your own crops, and kill rabbits and deer and buffalo or whatever. Maybe move to Wyoming, move next to Charles Haskinson. I mean, if it's an apocalypse, you just dome him and freaking start eating his bison or whatever the hell he owns over there. All right, this has gone crazy off the rails, but gold is stupid, 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 stupid. I don't understand it. I'm just being real. Like, you know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? All right, bonds. Like I said, bonds are the real story today. Bonds are down to 125, down pretty massively. I don't really know what that means. I just know it could take the market down with it, according to the lads over at Tasty, so tasty. But I mean, bonds were. I mean, they're down over 20 points since like I don't know, a month or so ago. Again, bonds go down, rates go up. Bonds are going down hard. So this next inflation number and shit like that, man, the market sees things in advance. I'm just saying, watch the F out. All right, let's do a capo check. I tell you what, man. Capo said, let's pump this market yesterday. That guy, clairvoyant, well, like, what is in this guy's coffee? No hammer yet, but soon. Expecting higher for now. All right, so Capo's been talking about this hammer for a minute. So, I think a hammer's still coming. We've been to these pumps before. It wasn't too long ago. Let's go to the charts. Let's take a, I mean, we can even take a look at Bitcoin. People were dancing on the ceiling, right? Wait a second. What? We're looking at quant. No wonder this didn't look right. All right. People were dancing on the ceiling during this last Bitcoin pump. Retro was like, he thought we were going to new all-time highs, but Bitcoin got up to around 23,000. People started pumping their chest. Ooh, the Nasdaq was looking good. Everyone thought that. I don't know, for some ridiculous. I'm not everyone, but a lot of people were like, "What's going on? This is it. We're going back to. We're going back up." Do you realize how far down we still are? Yeah, we're still in denial. And the next one is going to be, what is it? Like crushing. I think the next one's crushing your spirits, dreams, and hopes and will to live. Isn't that the last cycle? What's considered a pump? Or how much up to be? I don't know. Like it's kind of subjective. I don't think what is considered a pump in the stock market. I mean, green, anything green with like a little bit of green. I wonder if this will have an answer. Pump and dump scheme. How does a pump and dump? Yeah, it's all pump and dump. Just the market moving, like Bitcoin moving $1,000. Like, how much is what percentage is that? I mean, Nasdaq's up 2%. I would say a 2% move is a pump. A 2% down move would be, it's dumping. I don't know if there's like a certain percent. Bitcoin's up 5%. I mean, that's 5%, a decent chunk. Harmony One, what the hell's going on here? Harmony One's pumping like crazy. It's up 11%. It's the high. It's the biggest winner on my board. What's going on over at Harmony One? Oh, that one hit the back of my throat wrong. All right. I don't know, man. Cardano's looking basically the same. Solana's looking really good, $35. Solana just keeps pissing me off. I'm looking to buy Solana, PFI, Bobana, Solana. I'm looking to buy Solana in the 20 handles. Hopefully the lower 20s, like 20. Hell, even the teens. Atom's still looking really strong. Phantom, who cares? Near, who cares? AVAX, who cares? Osmosis, meh. Maddie, 78 cents. Quant, I'm still quant interested, but it's doing really well. 130. Hanging around. Sandbox, who cares? 8 point, who cares? Every rose has a thorns, looking pretty decent. This fraudora. I finally found I've been calling it shitdora. I finally, like, it just came to me. I don't know why it took so long, but that is the perfect name for it. It's even got it in the. Oh, I guess it's FR. Is it FRUAD or FR? It's FRAUD. It's fraud, FRAUSDT. It practically writes itself, but fraudora is up 2.6%. It's up, 0.005 pennies. And then Cadena, $1.44. Ah, man, Cadena. I'm tempted to buy some Cadena. I'm not gonna lie. Like right now. No, what am I thinking? I'm gonna patiently wait for the market to crash. And Clayton, another who gives a shit. We didn't even look at the stocks. Asia Green, Hot Mara, Ooh, how's my Palantir? Not too bad. Oh, I have 100 shares of Palantir. I'm down a couple $100 there. My put is only down $30. We have 24 days to go. Can I roll this? Let's roll it again. We're gonna roll this again, get another just keep getting credit. That's you sell puts. I know it's gonna be way over everyone's head. You sell a put, it goes against you. You can roll it. Aber in the house. How you doing, brother? You sell a put, it starts going against you. You can roll it out, extend duration. Get a credit. Roll it out, get more credit, extend duration. We've got 95 cents and 16-cent credit. So we made $1.11 off this put. We've received $1.11, $111 in credit, and it's down $30. So I could take it off the board, even though it's gone against me. It's going against me. I could take it off the board, I think, as a winner. Isn't that how it works? Maybe not. Let's see. If I were to close this, I'd pay $2.32. No, I would lose the money, but that's okay. We're gonna roll it. We're gonna roll it again. We're gonna go to 52 days out. We're gonna try and get 14-cent credit. Get another credit. We might need to. Well, we'll let that simmer a little bit. If it goes up a penny or two, that should fill. Let's see what's going on with this. I have the same thing going on over here. It's only down $17 over here. 24 days to go. Let's roll this bitch. Try and get 14-cent credit. All right, we'll let those go. I would like if I were to get into this. I haven't really been doing a lot of options lately. Because the move, in my opinion, and it's tough. I would be selling calls. Selling calls is kind of not in my nature, but I think the market's going to continue. I want to watch. Maybe this market will pump this week, and then maybe I'll do something like that, sell a call or something, because I think inflation's next week, isn't it? And you think that should, but that's the problem. You're gambling. Maybe inflation comes in better than expected. The market can, and it's another relief, another bear market relief rally. You can have more than one of those. That's what the last one was. This was just, I mean, lower high. Looking at the NASDAQ, everyone's pumping their chest, just a lower high. Like, do you not see what I see? Like, even if this thing pumps up a decent amount, it's just a lower high, we got we can go to the green line. The green line goes way back. So we could go up. This market could pump on the NASDAQ another 9%, and it don't mean shit. The SPX, same thing. There's a long way to go up for the SPX. A long way. If we do a line right there, let's see. I mean, white ifs and buts and candy and nuts. How does that expression go? Let's just do a line right there, and let's look. The SPX, the SPOOs, can go up almost 13%, and it would still be a lower high. We'd still be a bear market. All you see is colored lines. Yeah, there's a little bit of stuff going on, but this is high. This is a market high. Crash. Pumps, lower high, dumps. Pumps, lower high, dumps. Pumps, it could go 13% and it's still lower high. It's still like the trend is your friend, or right now the trend is your enemy, unless you're shorting the market. Right now, you like all technical analysis says maybe you go long right now and think it's going to get up to around here, maybe, but who the hell knows? The last relief rally only made it about 50% before it crashed again. Really, right now, what I'm doing is I'm waiting. I am stacking fiat. I'm saving money, and I'm waiting to buy. I'm going to patiently wait to buy, and I'm going to continue to do that. That has been my plan for a long time. I have not wavered. It has been a very, 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 very boring plan, and it can get 10 times worse. It could be a long time before it's a good time to buy. But guess what? Hopefully, I have like several stacks of high. I mean, I already have several stacks of high society. Maybe I can have 10 stacks, 100 racks. Maybe I can have 100 racks ready to go when it's ready. And then I more pounds to the ounce, as Heavy D would say, or no, more bounce to the ounce. Ricky in the house. Ricky in the house. Ain't no mother. You know what? I was thinking about you Saturday when I went to Costco. Costco. I was so mad. I was seeing red. I almost turned around and canceled my membership. I walk in, the first display, Russell sweats, and I'm like, "What?" I've never in my wait. I saw those Puma pants at Costco, and they look like MC Hammer. Yeah, so they have some weird Puma sweats in right now. They don't have the ones that I usually get. So I'm not a big fan of the Puma sweats they have in right now. Did you see like the black and gray ones, and they have kind of like the Puma and white letters, and then they have the top without the hoodie. Those aren't the Russell look decent, but it has that ugly Russell logo. So I'm not a big fan. You just look like you're a blue light shopper or a blue light special. You walk around looking like you're a blue light special. White trash. It's synonymous with white. Like no one looks cool in Russell. I don't know. I will say it's Russell fleece, and I'm like, I haven't really been on the Russell tip for a minute. The last time I looked at Russell sweats, it was at Walmart, and they were just like shitty cotton. So I will say Russell's up their game. Good job, Russell. But you still got the ugly logo. Like, who wants to rock? Who wants to rock that shit? Come to Russell? Nah. Black, yeah, black and gray. Yeah, I'm not a fan of the Pumas they have in. Hopefully, they go back to the ones I'm used to having because they are so freaking comfy. They had a few other brands in there that kind of, and a Hurley. I almost bought some of those. I'm like, nah, Tom, you got plenty of sweats. Like, you don't even have to buy any sweats this year. But if they do come in with some Pumas, I'll probably get like 2 or 3 complete sets. Usually I like to wait because they'll go on sale or you can buy them online and you can get them for like, you can get 3 full sets for like under $50. You know, it'll be like, oh no, that's not true. It'll be like $14 each. So it would be like $90. Man, that seems for like 3 full. Wait, is that right? Yeah, 14. Girish in the house. Hey, I hopefully I said that right. We got some new people in the house. Is the YouTube algorithm not mad at me anymore? Aber's new. Girish Swami. Sorry, Girish. Is it Girish? No, there's no Girish. Is that correct? I wonder if Big Boy is used affectionately. Like that kind of came out of left field. What is it? Crypto is shit in India. Yeah. Um, if you're living in India, do you do you own crypto? You own crypto over there? I wouldn't like. I have no crypto. Oh, it's more like crypto is a shit show, is what you meant to say. I would say. Yeah, I don't know. I kind of understand. You have like two different. Like the United States has the Fed and they have the Fed and they have someone else. I'm brain farting. But the India's the central bank. So you have kind of the same thing. You kind of have the central bank over there and you kind of have your Fed over there. And one loves crypto and the other hates it. And one's always going to say they're going to ban it. And the other one's like, no, we're not. Or who knows? Like, who knows what's going on over there? Government. Oh, yeah. 30% tax. And what's a TD? 1% TD? I don't know what that is. Champion became popular for a minute for no reason. Champion is just as ugly as Champion. Yeah, Champion did come out with the line that was not bad. I if I had to choose between Champion and Russell, I would pick Champion. I don't know what it is I have against Russell. I just have PTSD from how shitty their sweats were back in like the 90s. 30% tax. Man, that's pretty high. what I would do, I mean, I don't know what I would do, but if I was in India, 30% is insane. I've often feared that the United States might do something similar to crush crypto. Hopefully they don't. But just like eventually they're gonna have, if crypto becomes more mainstream, they'll probably have to ease back on that. That could be a huge mistake. And it's just gonna cause people to like not pay their taxes on crypto and hide it and put it in, move that shit around. Most likely with I mean I don't know what it's like to break the law over there. I know the United States IRS is going hard after people with crypto right now, but I you just gotta buy it and not like hold it long term. Have faith that crypto is going to be good long term, and don't sell it until it's a lot of money. I would be I would be a lot more cautious buying only good things, kind of like what I'm doing right now. But it's not like it's if you go out and you do high risk stuff like gaming and low cap coins, and you're going to pay a shitload in taxes and you're going to have a lot more risk. So it's really stacked against you. Maybe it's better to do, it might be better just to do proxies. Like if you're very pro Bitcoin, I don't know if you have access. I'm pretty sure you do. I know Tasty trades over in India, but I don't know if it trades like the Indian stock market. If I don't know if you can get United States, but you can trade proxies like MicroStrategy or some miners and some things like that. I don't know. It's a tough situation. It's definitely not my bailiwick. I used that expression with another engineer yesterday, and he's like, "What's that?" And I'm like, "Oh, yeah." All right. We are at a tight 27 right now. Let's get this wrapped up. Let's see what's going on in the market. Let's do a little check on the Stizok. The Stizok market still a little green. Bonds still at the 125 level. Did my put's still trying to work. Now mid's 13 cents. Yeah. All right. Hopefully that fails. If not, we'll check it again tomorrow. It just needs to go up a little bit, and I think we'll be good. The E-mini S&P is now up 41. It was up 50. The Nasdaq's now up 1. I told you bonds, man. Bonds could take this market down today. I don't know. And Bitcoin still 20,190. What was its high? Ooh, hey. Why do they high? 20,385 has been its high tick of the day. All right, everyone. That's a nice tight 30 right there. I will be back tomorrow, 6:30 a.m. PST. Be there or you're an F and square. Love you all and peace.